In this question, we have to first calculate the function g of function of f. For this, where it is given that g of function of g of any function, here the domain is the integers and range is natural number. Now, to find out this, we have to first put the g of function of n. We have g of function of n, we have two values, g of n. G of function of n, we have two values, 3 plus 2n for n greater than equals to 0, means 3 plus 2 times of function of n for n greater than equals to 0, which is equals to 3 plus 2 times of function of n plus 1 by 2 when n is odd, and n 4 minus n by 2 when n is even, n plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 plus 1, 4 plus n for n when n is odd, and function of g of function of n for n even, 3 plus 2 times of 4 minus n by 2, which is equals to 7 minus n for n is even. Here it is one thing also we have to look, that it is given the g of function of n for n belongs to natural numbers, means we have to take only the natural numbers. So minus 2 and we have to neglect it. Only natural numbers which should be greater than equals to 0, but not equals to 0. Only one natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to leave the 0 part. For g of 1, which is odd number, for odd number we have 4 plus 1, 5. G of 2, which is even number, we have 7 minus 2 is equals to 5, means there are two values. For 1 and 2 we have the same range, 5, therefore it is not 1 to 1, means it is not 1 to 1, 1 to 1, it is not 1 to 1, but it is many to 1. So first part is okay, g of f is not 1 to 1, g of f is not on to, we have to look for it. Then manually put all the values. For n is equals to 1, 5 for n is equals to 2, 5 for n is equals to 3, which is already odd number. So for odd number, 4 plus 3, 7. For g of 4, we have 7 minus 4, 3. For g of 3, 4, 5, which is 9. G of 5, which is g of 5 is 9. G of 6 is 1. G of 1, 3, 5, 7, which is 4 plus 7, 5, 7, 9, 11. G of 8 is minus 1. So we are getting integers values also in the range and natural number also. Therefore, it is a integer functions. Here it is given that g of function of n is domain is natural numbers, but our domain for g functions, the domain is coming integers. Therefore, it is not onto. Therefore, option A is correct.